Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set image watermark in Google Docs. So get ready started. At first open your Google Docs document. In this video, I will show set image watermark. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click. Now we select from a watermark option. Then we show the new interface. Then we show the watermark from text and image. Now select from select image option. Now select, then click for browse option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture, then click for open option. Now you can see, then you show the set image watermark space. Now click for done option. That is, now you can see set image watermark in Google Docs is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.